How to uninstall games from PC and laptop. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy way in order for you to be able to uninstall PC games from your computer or from your laptop. So to get this done, what you are going to do is just basically open the Windows icon. So you can just go over and click this one right here. And then what you're going to do is type here, add or remove program. So this is from the control panel. Go ahead and click this one. So you should be seeing here all of the games that you have. For example, I have Right Client, Valorant. Now I can just go over here to the left and then click this three dots here and then click the uninstall button. Click uninstall once again in order to confirm this action. The same thing with Valorant, so click this, click uninstall, and then if you have more games, you can just go ahead and scroll down to find those games. For example, I have Lunar Client here, and I can just click this, click uninstall, click that, and click OK. And yep, that is basically how you're going to get this done. So just try to do this with all of the games that you have here. So that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.